There's no doubt that construction has always been one of the hardest, most dangerous, and most brutal jobs in existence. Men exposed to deadly heights, extreme temperatures, and tons of steel suspended above their heads. That's how the world has been built for centuries. But China decided that era was over. Today, workers are being replaced by mechanical beasts controlled by artificial intelligence. Machines that don't sleep, that don't get tired, and that operate in conditions where no human being could survive. From swarms of autonomous excavators devouring mountains in total darkness, to colossal platforms climbing skyscrapers and manufacturing entire floors as if they were a factory suspended in the sky. Sit back and join me as we take a tour through the 8 most impressive construction robots China is using right now. And I'll warn you in advance, number 1 is going to challenge everything you thought was possible. Number 8. Swarm autonomous excavators. Entering an open-pit mine or an unstable collapse zone is a suicidal game for any human operator. To eliminate this risk, Chinese tech giants have deployed entire fleets of massive excavators with no cab, no steering wheel, and no seats. They are pure steel beasts governed exclusively by artificial intelligence and connected through ultra-low-latency 5G networks. These machines don't work alone. They operate using an advanced hive intelligence system. A dozen excavators communicate with each other in milliseconds to coordinate massive earth extraction without ever colliding. They use stereo depth cameras and LiDAR sensors to map the terrain in real time. The onboard computer calculates rock density, tilt angle, and the exact force the hydraulic arm must apply to fill the bucket to maximum capacity without wasting a single drop of fuel. Most strikingly, they can operate continuously, 24 hours a day, in the middle of dense dust storms, extreme fog, or total darkness, environments where a human would be completely blind. It is the absolute automation of earth moving at an industrial scale. Number 7. The interior coating robot. Painting and finishing the walls of an 80-story skyscraper requires an army of workers exposed to toxic dust and chemical fumes for months. Chinese company Bright Dream Robotics solved this by creating an autonomous robot that looks like a miniature tank with a long mechanical arm, designed specifically to carry out interior finishes with a perfection no human hand could ever match. When this robot enters an empty room, it activates its LiDAR lasers and scans the three-dimensional geometry of the entire space in seconds. Its algorithm creates a mathematical navigation route that guarantees it won't leave a single centimeter uncovered. It then extends its arm and begins spraying filler, plaster, or paint at a uniform thickness calculated to the millimeter, completely eliminating lumps, stains, or material waste. It needs no breaks to rest, requires no lighting, and can coat up to 300 square meters of wall per hour in complete darkness. While a human crew would take weeks to finish a single floor, a small swarm of these silent robots can have an entire building ready for occupancy in just a couple of days. Number 6. AI-powered tower cranes. The most terrifying position in construction has always been that of the tower crane operator, locked inside a tiny glass cabin swaying 300 meters in the air. China is removing humans from the sky by integrating pure artificial intelligence into super heavy cranes. These colossal machines no longer need a person suffering from vertigo at the top to move tons of steel. These autonomous cranes are equipped with a massive electronic brain connected to computer vision cameras and millimeter wave radars. When ordered to move a 20-ton steel beam from point A to point B, the AI instantly calculates the perfect flight path through the air. It analyzes wind speed in real time and activates micro-adjustments in the motors to eliminate the dangerous pendulum effect that causes loads to swing. It even detects if other cranes are operating in the same airspace and alters its route in milliseconds to avoid catastrophic collisions. Upon reaching its destination, the computer releases the load with a margin of error of just 2 millimeters, demonstrating a precision no fatigued human operator could ever achieve. Number 5. Winsons Mega 3D Printer. Building walls block by block is a medieval technique. Chinese company Winsons decided the future was printing entire houses like text documents, and to do so, they created a gigantic robotic gantry 40 meters long and 10 meters tall. This mechanical beast doesn't print plastic. It expels a continuous flow of ultra-strong, fast-drying concrete ink directly onto the construction site floor. The robotic arm moves along rails at surprising speeds, layering perfect coats of material to raise thick, hollow walls. The hollow design is no accident. It is mathematically calculated by the software to be filled with insulating materials, creating walls that withstand massive earthquakes and insulate heat better than conventional bricks. The most revolutionary thing about this monstrous printer is not its speed, capable of printing 10 complete houses in less than 24 hours, but its ecology. Its concrete ink is made by recycling mining waste and rubble from demolished buildings. It is a colossal robot that literally devours the city's industrial waste and transforms it into luxury homes, ready to be occupied at a fraction of the traditional cost. Number 4. XCMG's Paving Swarm. Building modern roads is a hellscape of boiling asphalt, toxic fumes, and body-destroying vibrations. Industrial giant XCMG eliminated the human factor by creating the world's first robotic paving swarm. Imagine an army of enormous cylindrical rollers and asphalt-spreading machines moving along a freshly laid road, all of them with no driver in the cab. This mechanical convoy is interconnected through real-time kinematic satellite positioning signals, giving them GPS precision with a margin of error of just 1 centimeter. The lead machine spreads the boiling asphalt at a perfect thickness and instantly transmits telemetric data to the fleet of rollers trailing behind it. The autonomous rollers close in, avoid collisions with each other, and compact the ground by applying the exact hydraulic pressure calculated by the computer. This technology completely eliminates the human imperfections caused by fatigue. No dips in the asphalt, no undulations from sudden braking. They can pave massive stretches of highway at night, in total darkness, creating mathematically perfect high-speed roads that guarantee smooth driving for the rest of us. Number 3. The Robotic Megaworm. Drilling a tunnel through solid rock is like trying to move forward while completely blind. Traditional tunnel boring machines require dozens of engineers to monitor pressure, but China has unleashed the Jinghua, a mechanical beast 16 meters in diameter and thousands of tons in weight that uses artificial intelligence to autonomously devour the Earth, making it the most advanced robotic worm on the planet. On the front face of this cylindrical leviathan are hundreds of titanium cutting discs spinning with brute force. As it crushes rock, the AI analyzes acoustic vibrations and material resistance in milliseconds. If the robot detects it is transitioning from solid rock to soft mud, it automatically adjusts the hydraulic pressure, rotation speed, and stabilizing foam injection to prevent the tunnel from collapsing. All of this happens deep underground, without human intervention. The machine doesn't just excavate, it simultaneously assembles massive concrete rings behind it to form the walls of a perfect tunnel. It is a hyper-autonomous underground factory that advances by devouring mountains and leaving finished infrastructure in its wake. Number 2. The Bridge-Eating Monster. Building high-speed rail tracks across China's valleys and gorges used to require massive ground cranes and years of work, until they created the SLJ 900/32, a 900-ton machine equipped with 64 independently controlled wheels. This vehicle is, for all intents and purposes, a mechanical colossus that builds its own road through the air as it advances into the void. The way this giant robot works is mind-blowing to watch. The machine carries an entire prefabricated bridge segment weighing 1,000 tons on its back. It advances to the edge of the last completed pillar, peers over the precipice, and extends an enormous front hydraulic arm that anchors itself to the next empty pillar, suspended hundreds of meters above the ground. Once anchored, the machine uses its own body as a temporary rail to smoothly slide the immense concrete block underneath itself and place it with millimeter precision. Then, it retracts its arm, rolls forward over the very bridge it just installed, and repeats the process. It is an endless builder train spitting highways into the sky. Number 1. The Skyscraper Climbing Factory. And we arrive at the crown jewel, a structural beast that looks like architectural dark magic. The Zhao or building-creating machine, solved the biggest problem of constructing skyscrapers at over 500 meters in height: brutal wind and materials logistics. This is not a crane. It is a solid steel robotic platform that completely encloses the last 3 floors of the building under construction. Inside this gigantic protective box, a closed factory environment is created. Robots and workers assemble steel and pour concrete without worrying about typhoons, rain, or vertigo. But the madness happens when a floor is completed. With the press of a button, 12 monstrous hydraulic jacks, driven by load synchronization computers, push the entire factory, weighing thousands of tons, upward, lifting it to the next level in just 1 hour. It anchors itself to the new concrete, hauls all its materials up with it, and begins manufacturing the next floor. This climbing exoskeleton allows the Chinese to raise a complete floor of a mega skyscraper every 3 days, without fail. It is, literally, a cloud-devouring machine that creates infinite skyscrapers in record time. From mechanical worms with artificial intelligence brains swallowing mountains, to colossal titanium platforms manufacturing their own bridges in mid-air and climbing skyscrapers like robotic spiders, China has proven that the hammer and scaffolding are tools of the past. Modern construction is no longer a matter of human strength, but of algorithms processing millions of data points in real time to assemble immense structures with zero margin for error. These robots guarantee that the cities of the future will rise in a matter of days. Now tell me, which of these construction monsters did you find the most mind-blowing? Do you think we'll see any of these revolutionary machines building homes in your country soon? Leave your comment below, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more content like this. See you in the next one.